Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you may operate your laptop as a desktop or you have a desktop computer that's not portable and you want to be able to access the files from them from a remote location. What you're going to do is come down to the search box. You're going to write in to allow remote, and you should find that there's going to be a link here. That link is going to say allow remote access to your computer. You're going to go ahead and click that link. When you get to this dialog box, you're going to notice this is part of the system properties. You're going to have remote assistance here at the top. Down at the bottom is the remote desktop. And you're going to notice that this is not ticked by default. What you're going to do is you're then going to click this link that says allow remote connections to this computer. And then you're going to have this box ticked. Because basically what you want to have is you want to have individuals who are only running the remote desktop and that they have network level authentication. Now, assuming that the computer that you're running is going to have Windows 10 and remote desktop access, what you're going to do is you're going to come into the search box and all you'll need to type in is remote. You're going to see the remote desktop connection. And then what you're going to do is you're going to write in the name of the computer. You'll also need the username of the computer. You can determine how large the display is going to be. You can control the remote audio in these settings. And those are the settings that you'll need. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we have the computer and the username. If you don't know your computer name, you'll just come into the search box. You'll type in computer name. You can click this link that says view your PC name. You'll then be able to get that name from this area that says device specifications. Now it is best to have a username, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have one, and we're going to click the sign in options. And you'll notice here that at this point we currently do not have a password or a PIN, and we're going to need to add those in order to make our username active to be used in desktop connection. And to do that, if you haven't done so already, you are going to need to verify your identity on your personal computer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.